Hi everyone, let's start today's call. The first agenda item is to go through the tickets from current sprint. I think we have quite a few tickets already on the resolve column, and the other two doing on the testing the fingerprints, and unfortunately I did not have time to do the testing on those two. And 4 tickets now on the code review status, and I want to thank Eric, Robai, and Ruth helping with testing with 325 and 344 tickets. I think they're now ready for the code review. And also VJ helped us with the 308 about adding the patient UUID to the database. I will test on that tickets today. And I think the tickets right now on in progress are the 2 tickets that about the search box that VJ is helping us to finish that one up, so that we'll be able to search the information for the new columns that we just recently added on the error key summary page. I think the specification has been clarified. VJ, do you have any other comments or questions for this ticket?
No, Ada, I'm clear about about what needs to be done for this ticket. I have implemented the same for provider name, location name, and for the rest of the thing, I'll be completing shortly.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much.
Okay.
And then the other ticket is lot 23. And Derek, thank you so much for verifying this the list, and also make comments on some of the things that has been already fixed, and then the remaining issues. I think we will ask Simon to wrap this up next week after he returns. Is there anything else you want to add or comments for this ticket, Derek? Derek? You're on mute. So Derek, just FYI, you're on mute in case you're talking. Okay. Maybe we can get back to Derek. Maybe he has connection issue or cannot hear us.
Eda, you're on mute in case you're talking.
Hey, sorry. I was having some connection issues. Can you guys hear me? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So the other 2 tickets that are on hold, the oncology forms, there are still a couple clarification that need from them to get the concept IDs. So that's the status for those 2 tickets. And I think the connection that Derek has is disconnected, so I don't think a robot will be able to add more comment on that. So is there any other questions or comment from anyone in terms of current spring ticket?
Eda, I'll be
Go ahead.
interested to. I'd also be interested to test out the fingerprint workflow. But I was wondering, I think from last I heard from Eric was it would only allow us to test it on a Macin or on a Macintosh machine. I don't know if we are able to do that on Windows now.
Actually, hold on a second, let me just. So you have two tickets for fingerprint 293 and 284. And then there's another ticket review. It's 285. That one 285 is the one that there's a script for you to start in Windows.
Okay.
So if you can first look at 285, that would be really helpful.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, I think the echo from Lauren's side, like the from the speaker, and go back to the mic. I think those are the things that we have for the sprite. And then let's see. The next one is about the mUzima release testing results. So unfortunately, the team is not on, but I think I can maybe brief everyone on their behalf as well. So we were able to test for 40 tickets. So the nice things with this mUzima Jira is that we add the test steps plugin so that it include a lot like excess step for us, and also we can execute things that step by step. Let me just show you maybe like an example how it looks like. So we can include even like for this ticket, like download additional concepts on demand. This one is one of the tickets which fail. It includes every test step and then the expected result, and we can execute through here against different release cycle. And then when it's failed, one is failed, that means the ticket is failed. But at least like we would have much more clear documentations to show that which actually instead of saying it's not working or all those things, or repeat typing the same step become very long documentations on the tickets and comments and things like that. We can have one clear session to document each step and the expected results, and then we can also track. We can recycle using these steps for the future releases, so that we don't need to spend as much time in setting up the same things again and again. That's the nice thing about this one. So just look back to the testing results. We only have two tickets that fail. And one is download additional concept on demand. The other one is duplicates form data warning. Both kind of like extra features. I don't think it should be like a showstopper for our release this weekend. Unless any of you think the otherwise, let me know. I don't know if you guys have the same, so that we can just document that, these two features not working, and then we'll fix that in the next release. That's the plan. And go ahead, Lawrence.
Thank you. Can you hear me?
Go ahead.
No, it's Martin. I think it's okay with me. I don't think it shows.
Yeah, I don't think it's showstopper. I think we would still move forward with the release plan this weekend. So we just need to document that, what works, what doesn't work. What works. That's it for the first release. And then for the next, on our release note, we just need to document all these things. That's it. Yeah. Agree. So any comment or questions in terms of the release testing? Hi, Derek, are you back? I don't know if they can hear us or not. So if there's no more comments on the release testing results, I want to move to the next item, which is the infrastructure release plan. So some of you already have helped me as like the first group of members to test on the mUzima Jira as well as the mUzima wiki this week. Thanks for doing that. So it helps us to do some tweaking on some of the privilege and then roles and things like that, and also get your feedback, what works, what doesn't work. And I think it's going to be a continuous process, but I think we pretty much have the basic configuration set up correctly. And then as time moves on, and I'm sure there's more things that we need to configure further as well. And we already moved all the documentations from GitHub Wiki to mUzima Wiki. The next plan for next week is that we're going to fund next Friday.
Sorry, we got dropped.
Go ahead.
Sorry, we got dropped.
Okay, sorry about that. Can you hear us okay now? Can you hear us okay now?
Yeah, better.
Okay. So next Friday, probably after 1 p.m. The Eastern Standard Time, my time, which is like you guys' nice time. So hopefully you guys are not working, and we're going to take the mUzima Jira and wiki offline. We're going to import the Ampac wiki and Jira into mUzima. And then from now on, we're going to switch to turn it live for public to sign up and all those things. And then and I will send out an email to everyone that from now on we're going to use mUzima Jira and Wiki for our project. So next Friday would be the time that we turn the switch. We do the import and also turn it on, and so that would be from moving forward. We're going to use mUzima Jira and mUzima Wiki.
It's great.
Great. So that's pretty much what I have in mind, and then we also would start utilizing more social media to share the news with everyone. We're going to plan maybe have like at least 2 blogs a month, and then also through Twitter so that we can share the information to to the potential members who want to join the community and things like that. So I think we will have more other members to join our cause in the near future. So it's going to be exciting, and I want to thank everyone for helping us to get to this point. And this weekend we're going to get the first release to Google Play, and then next Friday we're going to turn the switch. So what I have in mind is that next week sprint, it's going to be a short sprint so that we can clean up the ticket, and then end on Friday, and then so that we can do the migration and import Friday afternoon my time. So that's the plan I have. I don't know if anyone have question or comment or concern for this plan. Okay. That's all I have on my agenda, and anyone have any other things want to share or talk about? Okay, so if not, I'm going to summarize what the release plans is and also the infrastructure rollout plan is through email. So it would be more clear for everyone. In case for some reason your connection is not good today, you cannot hear the conversations or the discussions, and you can follow up through the email and then comment from that.
Yeah, and actually where we are, we cannot hear you very clearly because you're in open air. So we can't hear
Yeah,
you very
so I can recap one more time. So what I talked about earlier is that um, next, because our current spring is going to end on Monday, and then after that we'll have like a very short spring for 4 days, which is going to end next Friday, so that we can clean up some of our current tickets that we haven't finished. And then next Friday, 1 p.m. my time, we are going to do a import of the existing MPath wiki regarding mUzima projects, all the related Jira tickets related to um, mUzima, and all the programs projects will be imported from MPath side to mUzima side. And from then, we'll go after we finish the process next Friday. We're going to send an email to everyone to inform you from moving forward. We start using mUzima, Jira, and mUzima Wiki. Is it clear, Derek?
That's clear.
Okay. So, any comments on concern?
None from this side. Just excited.
Awesome. So that's all I have for today's call. I know that it's a short call, but I want to thank everyone's hard work this week, especially for all those intensive testing and documentations. And I know that it's very new for most of us, and we're learning new things every day. And just keep it up.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Channel.
also thank you for everything.
Yeah, I know that it was like this week a little bit tough for everyone because it's a lot of learning process, and um, and I really appreciate that. And so I will summarize everything through email, and then if you have concern, just comment on it so that we can continue. Thank you guys
Okay.
for this. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Yeah,
Bye
thanks
bye.
for everything.
Thanks. Bye.